Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Mam Goma, a Zulu full-time mama, and welcome. Today's video is a continuation from the previous video where we did pronouns. I just made a few lists of examples that can help you to start forming sentences or making a conversation. These just general words that are usually used day by day. Ngiyanimukela futhi ekhasini lethu lapho sifunda khona isiZulu. Namhlanje sizoqhubeka lapho sigcine khona kwividiyo yokugcina. Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe angifake izibonelo ezithi ukuba yiningana. Lamagama azonisiza ukuthi nikwazi ukuxhumanisa ama-sentences or just basic communication, because lamagama siwasebenzisa almost in every conversation that we might have. So I'm going to be giving you a list to learn and try and memorize, because it's going to help you in your journey to learning isiZulu. So pronouns, which are izabizwana. Learning the Zulu pronouns is very important because its structure is used in everyday conversation. The more you master it, the more you get closer to mastering the Zulu language. Okay, so that's why I decided that I need to add a little bit more information and give you a list that you can always go back to try and learn and memorize, and it will help you maybe later on to remind yourself of what you have learned. So and Zulu pronouns, they include personal pronouns, which they refer to the person speaking, the persons spoken to, or the persons or things spoken to, or the persons or things spoken about. The indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, which connect parts of the sentences, and reciprocal or reflexive pronouns, in which the object of the verb is being acted on by the verb's subject. So let's get down to it. Asiqale sifunde. Okay, let's start. There or theirs. Yabo. Yabo. Our or ours. Yethu. Yethu. His or hers. Yakhe. Yakhe. Your or yours. Yakho. Yakho. I or me. Mina. We or us. Thina. Thina. She or he or him or her is yena. You use yena. You is wena. Mine is yami. Yami. Them or they, bona. Bona. I laugh. Ngiyahleka. Ngiyahleka. You laugh. Uyahleka. Uyahleka. He or she laughs. Uyahleka. Uyahleka. We laugh. Siyahleka. Siyahleka. They laugh. Bayahleka. 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 Give me. nika mina, nika mina, give him or her, nika yena, nika yena, give us, nika thina, nika thina, give them, nika bona, nika bona, my dress, ingubo yami, ingubo yami, your dress, ingubo yakho, ingubo yakho, their dress, ingubo yabo, ingubo yabo, our dress, ingubo yethu, ingubo yethu. I understand the list might be a bit long for somebody who's just starting. However, if you keep going back to it and trying to understand and memorize them, they're gonna help you to learn isiZulu much quicker. The more you do them, the more you get used to these words and understanding them better. Thank you so much for following through. I hope the video was fruitful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please also comment and let me know if you have any suggestions of other videos. Thank you so much. Siyabonga, nisale kahle.